Hi there everybody, on today's video I have this Lexus IS250 and this is a 2008. I'm just gonna change the front wiper blades. At the moment I only have the driver's side, but it's basically a blueprint, and that's the number there, the part number. Now the procedure for passenger and driver side will be the same, and basically what we want to do is we want to open this little clip here, cover that covers the blade in there. So it's just a pressed on kind of clip, so you just want to press on the little bit there and this will pop up. Then we can pull the blade out and we're going to slide it backwards, so this will be a lot easier with two hands. Now we just want to slide it back and then turn it, and that will come out like so. But I'm just a little bit scared because I don't want to drop that on the windscreen. If that falls on the windscreen, then it will crack the windscreen. So we have the new one here, and basically same procedure. Get the blade in there. So this part here has to go in that hook, basically into that hook, and that's what we're trying to achieve here. All right, so this is slightly different to the other one. There we are, and then you lock that in place, and then we need to remove that film, that blue film here. Part to change. There's another part number there, and the other side will be the same. So anyway, hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.